So let me tell you some of the similarities between the Igbos of Nigeria and the Igbo descendants of the Caribbean.
Yes, my beautiful people, I am excited about the development of our project, the Unify Igbos now, and our international unification project, which is Acho Nwanne'm. The video that you are about to watch is the testament that Igbo must do something. Something really serious about our unification, especially in connecting all our descendants, the Igbo descendants in the Caribbean. Just like we've launched the Acho Nwanne'm project, it is important that every Igbo person supports what we are doing. It's not to sit on the fence. It's not to stay at a place and watch us. Okay, let you see what we can do. If we can succeed, then you can now jump into the moving train. No. From what we have achieved so far with the Unify Igbos now in Nigeria, you should be able to believe us right now that God's hands are all over this project, the Unify Igbos now, and everything that comes out from the Unify Igbos now. All right, this is Chukwuemeka Ojembe. I am calling on every person, every person out there. Let us unite. Let us come together and project this Acho Nwanne'm International Unification Project for the Igbo nation. We must bring home our people. We must. It is not an option. All right, it is a must. We don't have the option to bring people together again. It is a must, and we must do it. I am calling on every entrepreneur out there, every business person, every mogul, all support on support us. We will be launching our GoFundMe very soon. We will be launching our GoFundMe very soon. In order for you to donate, we will be needing funding to travel from here to Gabon, to Equatorial Guinea, to Cameroon, to Ghana, to Liberia, Sierra Leone, then over to the Caribbeans, the Haiti, Jamaica. Just like this, our sister, she is a Jamaican, married to an Igbo. She understands that what they practice there, that they have Igbo ancestry. It is undeniable. It is undeniable. These are our people who were shipped from here during the transatlantic slave trade. We should not sweep these things under the rug. We are working now. Thank God for social media. Thank God for what is happening in social media. And thank God for the invention of social media, in fact. We can now change the narrative. We can now do something meaningful without paying huge money to media houses to carry our news or carry our project, our films. Now we can do these things on our own. And by the grace of God, I am my team. By the grace of God, we are out. We have been ordained for this. We have been anointed for this move. From here to Haiti, from here to Jamaica, from here to Barbados, from here to Belize, from here to every Caribbean country that has, even though a percentage of Igbo, we shall unite them. We shall tell them about our Igbo. We shall tell them where their ancestors were brought out from. This we must do. This is we must do, and it is in our right to unite our people. Thank you very much. As you remain your own faithfully, Chukwuemeka Ojembe ndi Igbo niile. Anyanwụ Igbo. Udochia n'ala Igbo. Ise.
If you're a person that does not like the Igbo culture, you may want to scroll past this post because this is going to have Igbo Amaka written all over it. So many of you have seen me in videos and you've thought to yourself, she looks just like an Igbo woman. And guess what? You're absolutely right. But let me tell you the little secret behind it. See, it all started with the transatlantic slave trade. During the transatlantic slave trade, many of Igbos were taken to the island of Jamaica. And though they were not home, they took everything they had with them, which includes their proverbs, the language, their culture, and most of all, their entrepreneurial spirit. So let me tell you some of the similarities between the Igbos of Nigeria and the Igbo descendants of the Caribbean. For example, our language. In our native tongue in Jamaica, which is called Patois, we have a very, very popular word that we use, and we pronounce it unu. This is the Igbo word una. It means you people, or all of you, or you all. We use that every single day in Jamaica. By the way, if you're loving this shirt and you're thinking, well, Shika, where can I get one? Make sure you go to ldrvisa.com and click on shop. Anyways, back to the video. In Jamaica, we have some famous Igbo proverbs that we use every single day, but the truth is, most modern day Jamaicans are not aware of where their language and a lot of the things that they're saying is coming from. The truth is, it came from the Igbos of Nigeria. One of the popular proverbs that we use all the time is, you will see a watawa ga pumpkin belly. This is a popular phrase that we say in Jamaica, and in Igbo language, it sounds like this.
Amaka milisi weba obi obogru.
Yes, and that's my husband, by the way. I did ask him to make me a voice note. I'm not that advanced in Igbo language yet. But yes, basically the meaning is, you will see how does the water get to the belly of a fruit or a vegetable? How does the water get to the belly, right? Right, that is something we say every single day in Jamaica. The Igbos are the largest entrepreneurial group in Nigeria. And guess what? They have passed down that entrepreneurial spirit to us, their descendants, in the Caribbean. If you would like to learn more about the similarities between the Igbo descendants of the Caribbean and the Igbos of Nigeria, let me know down in the comment section. And if you're an LDR couple and you're not yet following us, what are you waiting for? Make sure you engage from the bottom up, and I'll see you in the next video.